I got a couple new products to share today. This one is called a Hookaroon, for anybody that didn't know what it was called. It's a nice little tool for people that cut down trees or work with a lot of firewood. This will make it easier to drag, so you could get in there. This tree's a little big, so it is a little bit heavier to drag. But this makes it easier to drag compared to picking it up. It just makes it a little easier to move your logs and stuff around. You can also use it for smaller pieces of wood that you're picking up. You don't have to bend over for all of them. But if you're looking for a really easy way to drag around your trees and stuff, get yourself a Hookaroon. Now, the other tool that I decided to order was one of these Timberjacks. I forgot exactly what diameter this one will work for, but it will work for pretty large trees. And with this, you can easily jack your tree up. And now it's going to make it easier to cut it up and stuff. But if you're looking for something that you can easily pretty much jack up your trees, makes it a little easier to work with, turn them, get them up off the ground, definitely consider one of these Timberjacks. This one is from Vevor and it works pretty well.